everyone, and welcome back to Candy Apple Momo's page. Now today, yes, I'm her sister, and today I'll be showing you how to achieve flawless knotless box braids. Alright, so we're doing flawless knotless box braids. Now that's a tongue twister. So what I'm going to be doing, I'll be showing you the things that you will need to achieve this look, and also a step-by-step process of the back and the front of how we're gonna get there. Now, of course, you're gonna need a tail comb because this will help you in making your parts, and scissors so that you can cut. I think this is a fabric scissors, I'm not sure. Wait, so you can cut the hair for your edges, because you know you don't want to braid your edges, at least not all of them, because you need some little baby hairs if you want it to look super cute. And of course, my favorite wax. No, the top is somewhere. So what's on it is Morpho's Ocean Hair Gel Wax. And I have 4C here. I'll be using the 3X Ghana Expression braid. This is 40-inch. Additionally, I'll be using my flat iron to press the edges of my hair because I want it to be as smooth and sleek as possible. And after pressing my hair, then I'll apply this to the end of the hair itself so that it will lay sleek with the actual braid. Now I have gone ahead and started, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like so far. But what I'm going to do, I left out a section so that I can show you how to do it step by step. So here we are. So this is where I'm at. Yep. So I've gone ahead and gone through. So I'm going to basically show you how to install or apply the hair at the back, right? So I have a section out already, and now here we go. So first, of course, I'm going to put iron because you want it to be as sleek as possible. You don't want it to be obvious that you're not going to be able to kind of along the way. There are other natural braids that you can try, but I want it to have. So there, I've straightened my hair to apply a braid. But first, I want my roots to look very smooth. So I'm going around with the Ocean Hair Gel Wax. So it comes together. Right? Now in order to apply my hair, I have to section out the braid. So the first section needs to be thin. So now go ahead, and the second section, now it's a little bigger than the first one, not too big. Have that. Then the third one gets bigger because you know this will add volume to the hair. Alright, so let's get this party started. Oh, don't mind the back of my eyesight, right? I've been binge watching a number of series lately. Alright, so hopefully you can see. There we go. So I'm gonna corner just a little to start holding here. So this is where you get the knotless look. Then I apply the first thin layer of Ghana Expression braid. Once that is sealed in, yes, I will go ahead and go for the second one. Make sure that in I'm trying to blend so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Then I'll do the third, which is bigger and adds body to your hair. And that's it. And now what we'll do is we'll continue plaiting all the way out to the end. But in pressing my natural hair, there's still a few strands that might be loose. So what I do, this is where I use the wax to just smooth it out a bit to make sure. Let me just move this so, and then I go for the wax, rub it on my hair and the braid to seal it in, and then I basically just go all the way out to the end. Now I'm about to add the other pieces of hair to extend. So see, I needed to go all the way down to meet the others, which is right above my butt. Okay, so now this is how I add it. Hold on to one part of the plait while putting the other piece under. Seal it in. Then I'm adding the other piece. And you don't need more than 2 pieces down here, because if you keep adding, it's gonna get all buffy and coming down to the end. You don't want that. You want it to be looking small. Alright, so I'll see you when I get to the top. So now we're up to the front, and of course you already know the process. So first things first and the realest. Okay, so first thing you do is flatten your 4C here, or coarser. Yeah. Once you've done that, then you go ahead and you know, get your roots smooth. Then you start to plait before applying the hair. That's the whole purpose of knotless. So you plait for about 2 rounds. Now we're gonna apply. So I'll take the first here and then just seal it in to my hair. Remember, the first one should not be too thick because you don't want it edgy. You want it to seem as seamless. And I'm now going with the second one. Now for the third. And as you go, you know, the feet getting a little bigger. You don't want to have it small and big because you'll get it uneven. See how it comes together nicely. And I'm just going to add a fourth so that there's consistency. And basically that's it. I love doing the front of my hair with this because it's so easy. It's easier than me putting my hand all the way to the back. There you go. So take the extra look. And again, when you get down to where your natural hair is, please apply, if you have 4C, if you have natural hair, apply the wax to seal the hair in. I mean, you could do it without applying the wax, but then you run the risk of, in a matter of a day or two, your natural hair will just be fuzzing or showing through the braid. We don't want that because this can last for up to a month, 2 months. You can wash it in there, you can tie it down. Yeah. So see you when it's done. So there you have it, guys. Like, this is the ultimate look for the summer. You have just experienced how to achieve your flawless knotless boxed braids, and excuse the dog barking, but yes, I am so excited. And look at this, it is so versatile, guys. Like, we can do so much things with this right now. And it's very light, if you're wondering. Like, I don't feel like anything is on my head. And you know, you can tie it up. Look at that. Right? Or you can bring it around to the front. And for those who like to catch it up a bit, you can do that also. It's a bit tender. Yeah. So this is what it looks like when, you know, if you want to do a half up, half down look. There you have it. Again, don't mind my dog. But, and yes, this is your knotless box braids on 4C natural hair. Can you believe it? All right, so listen, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Welcome back, and see you for the next video. Now you have just experienced your knotless.
She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move.